Afternoon YouTubers, thanks for coming back. Today I've come down to Mountain Dam, which is my local freshwater dam, and I've just installed a second Garmin head unit and networked it. So I've just basically come down to do a bit of testing and check out the new GT56 transducer. Good thing about coming down here, it's bitumen the whole way, it's fresh water, I don't have to clean the boat afterwards, and yeah, so, and it's semi-overcast, so it's not too hot. But also, I brought my uncle along. There's my Uncle Jerry.
How you going, everybody?
Yeah, he's just come back from holidays, so he's enjoying retirement at the moment. So we got a couple of beers, we got a little brass monkey fridge with some snacks. Later on we'll have a little play, but GT56, and this one is the GT54. I reckon it's time for a beer now. What do you reckon?
I thought that, yeah, I reckon it is.
Right. Uncle says it's time for a beer. I have to listen to my elders and agree with him. So we're going to have a beer. I'm not sure if that's working up very well, but I think I go into here, go record sonar, and it's recording sonar. Same with this side. We're gonna, a little bit dark at the moment, we're just gonna zip around the corner and hopefully get out of this wind, and then I'll put the side scan on and we'll have a bit of a play, see how it goes. See the structure there now? Can you see the trees? It's actually showing the trees on the bank. And then, so my plan was to use the 7 for navigating and then the 12 for sounding, as per a little bit of wind. Everything appears to be working exceptionally well.
Yeah,
Beers are alright.
They're going well, yeah.
They're cold, that's alright. So I got my little side blind up, that stops a bit of side wind and rain coming in, and
I left my umbrella.
All right, we'll just sit here for 20 minutes and have a beer and maybe have a snack, and we'll wait for this wind to pass through. Absolutely bucketing down. Force trolling motor, legendary. Well, this is like monsoon rain. Didn't expect it to rain when it was kind of sunny, but it is monsoon season, so yeah, monsoon season. Say that with a mouthful of marbles. There we go. Cats, cheese, tomato, sweet chili,
And a ham.
salami. So a little picnic with my Uncle Jerry in the rain.
Yeah. That's good.
And a couple of beers. Better than being at work. But this rain's sticking around for a bit longer than we would prefer. We've had our afternoon snack, lunch, a couple of beers, and as you can see, it's not really letting up. But both sounders, this is running the 56 and this is running the 54. There's definitely a distinctive difference between the two, and I was disappointed with the 54 with the side scan, but with the 56 you can clearly see now, or I can see, a better image. So hopefully that will help me catch better barra or more barra, and yeah. So anyway, I'm going to say goodbye from now and probably head back to the ramp and get back to the car wet. So catch you later. Thanks for sticking in and tuning into this video. Cheers.